Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ram 2500 versus the Duramax 2500. We'll dive into their core differences, helping you decide which heavy-duty truck best suits your needs. We'll look at engine performance, towing capabilities, and the overall driving experience. Understanding these aspects is crucial for making an informed choice, whether for work or personal use. Let's get started by exploring what makes each truck unique. When it comes to power, the Ram 2500 often boasts the Cummins 6.7-liter turbo diesel, renowned for its immense torque, frequently over 1,000 pound-feet. The Duramax 2500 counters with its 6.6-liter V8 turbo diesel, celebrated for its refined power and smooth operation. Both engines are workhorses, delivering substantial horsepower and torque, ensuring they can handle demanding tasks like towing heavy trailers or hauling significant payloads with confidence. Beyond raw power, comfort is key. The Ram 2500 is often praised for its coil spring rear suspension, which contributes to a surprisingly smooth ride for a heavy-duty truck. The Duramax 2500, on the other hand, offers a refined interior with user-friendly technology and comfortable seating, making long journeys more enjoyable. Both manufacturers provide a range of trim levels, from work-focused to luxurious, ensuring there's an option for every preference and budget. Ultimately, the better truck depends on your specific needs. If maximum towing capacity and raw power are your priority, the Ram 2500 with its Cummins engine might be your ideal choice. If you value a smoother ride, a refined interior, and a powerful yet quiet diesel, the Duramax 2500 could be a better fit. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Whichever you choose, both are excellent heavy-duty trucks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.